Diana Cough Drop Zero.
Good. It's very good for the cold. Right now I have a cold.
And it's
And it's
zero
good, it's
sugar.
good. This is over the night at diabetic and it's good. Good for me, so I could suck it every day.
The fact that it's zero sugar makes it even better because zero sugar means zero fat. A moment on your lips, it won't go to your hips.
Wow, this is amazing. This is amazing. Diana Cough Drop Zero, amazing.
Cough Drop Zero, very refreshing.
Cough Drop Zero. Even diabetics could suck it.
Cough Drop Zero.
Diana, the sweet genius.